What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate. Today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money on Facebook in 2021 with a brand new method. It's really easy to do, so I hope you guys are ready for it. Before we get started, you know the drill. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Now let's go ahead and get into it.
Okay, so what you're going to want to do is go to a website called Etsy.com. That's ETSY.com. And what that is, you'll come to this website here, and what it is, it's actually a place where you can get a lot of really good quality products for a really good discount price. Okay. So what you would do is I usually come and try to find something that's really got like a heavy discount on it. Whether it's on clearance or something like that. So let's just check this out. This looks like a good one. I think I might have checked this out before. So let's see. This is a groomsman gift pocket knife, hunting knife. Okay, so this looks like a really good product, and you can actually scroll through some of the pictures here. This looks like it actually may be a video. In the video, I'm not going to worry about too much, so let's go ahead and just skip that. So this looks like a really nice product. Look like it's really good quality. And okay, and then this is great because you see you got good pictures here that you can actually use. All right, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use this one here. So what I would do, since you found a product, you come to Etsy and you find a product that that's a good quality, something that has a pretty good deal on it, and it looks like they've made a pretty good amount of sales here. So they probably most likely are a pretty good product, a good company. All right, so what I would do is highlight this description here. I'm not gonna worry about the best stocking stuffer. Okay, so and then we're gonna go over to Facebook Marketplace, and this is how you're gonna make money on Facebook with this method. You're gonna come over to Facebook Marketplace and you're gonna hit create a new listing, and it's gonna be an item for sale. All right, now when you go to your title, you come over here and you're just gonna paste that same title into your title. This one looks like it's a little bit too much. So let's scroll back some and see what we can take out. Okay, so we don't need groomsman gift. We can take that out. And looks like we're good. We can leave all the rest in. Okay, so pocket knife, hunting knife, gift for men, camping knife, groomsman knife, engraved knives. All right, so we got our pricing for our title in for this price. Let's see. So it's going to cost us $19.97, which is about $20. I would actually, it says the retail price is $39.95. Now, this is where, your personal preference could come in. Myself, I will put this for $29 and try to make about $10 for each one that I sell. You can actually put it to that $34. If you want to go higher, you can want to put a little bit lower. Just all depends on you. So you would put in your category. All right, for the category, we'll just go for, we'll just call it antiques and collectibles. We're not gonna get in, let's see, maybe that's not the best category for us. So we'll just go with antiques and collectibles. Okay, I guess you gotta be just pretty specific. So let's go with clothing and accessories, home and kitchen, jewelry and watches, sporting goods. This is more like a sporting goods and outdoor recreation, camping and hiking, and other camping and hiking. So boom, that's what we'll go with for our category. Now, what you're gonna do for your photos, you're going to come right back over here, and what you're going to do is save image as, and what I would do is just save this to desktop as soon as this pops up. Now you can save it to wherever you want, but you can easily just save it to desktop, or if you want to make a folder, whatever you want to do. But I would just save it to desktop, and I will grab a couple more pictures. Let's see here. And yep, I would definitely grab this one. Save this one to desktop as well. This has a really good description of the product. And let's see if we can get one more. All right, yeah, this one will definitely work. Let's go ahead and download that one as well. You don't always get pictures like that actually break down the actual product. So yeah, we'll go ahead and click save. All right, so we got some good pictures there. And then what I would do is also, since this is a personalized product, I would go ahead and copy this as well. And come back over here to where we're creating our post. And now the condition is going to be, of course, new. And I would put this in our description. All right. And then now we're going to add our photos. And it says you can add up to 10 photos, but just for purposes of this actual video, I'm just going to do the ones that we have here. So you can see how easy this really is. I'm pretty sure you guys grasp the concept of what we're doing right now. And we're just going to add our photos here. Then let it do its thing and load up. And now, once we have all of this, okay, we're going to put this one in the front because we want that to be our main photo. And now, let's see, we got everything there. So then we just click next. And now we don't want to put a location for this because this is actually going to be shipped to whoever purchases it. So we're going to set up the shipping as well. And then we'll just save that, confirm, and then we should be good to go. And then you'll just click publish, and then now we have this ad here on Facebook Marketplace for 29 bucks. Now every time someone goes on there and purchases this product, all you would do, or all I would do, is go back over to Etsy and put in the details of that they put in when they actually entered in their information, and I would purchase this product and put in their shipping information. In this Etsy, you get free shipping, so I would send it over to them for free and just put in their shipping information, and I could collect 10 bucks every time somebody buys one. So in a nutshell, that is pretty much it, and you can do this as much as you want. If you want to sit here and find, 10 products every day that you think will work for you and just post them. You see, I've done this in less than about 10 minutes. So you figure even if you take an hour a day, you can get about 6 products every day. And, you do it over time and you'll start to see some income coming in because you'll just start to notice that you'll just have, plenty of products. It'll almost be like having your own store on Facebook Marketplace.
Well, there you have it, guys. Like I said, it's a really easy method. And it's completely free. Costs you absolutely no money to use this method to make money on Facebook. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this method, and I hope you really like what I got to share on this one. And for anybody who does use this method, drop some comments on this video for me. Let us know how it worked out for you. If you put some posts up, if you made a few sales, come back, drop a comment. Let me know how it worked for you. All right. Again, it's your boy Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate. Always trying to spread good energy no matter what I do and no matter what you guys are doing, no matter what you're doing. I really wish you much success, and no matter what you go through, always remember, keep pushing, dreams do come true.